guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Acer Nitro 5 screen flickering. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having issues with your Acer Nitro 5 here, there are going to be a few things that you could do. Now, if the problem itself is not hardware related, like for example, it is a more of a software related, well, there are going to be a few things that you could do. So we actually found this thread here that actually a lot of users is encountering this problem. So it looks like this problem is a common occurrence for people who has a Acer Nitro 5 here. But according to them, what they did here is they actually turned off, or they looked for the option that looks like a adapted sync, or they need to disable adapted sync. Now, typically speaking, for Windows, you could visit this under display settings. So if I'm not mistaken, you could go ahead and basically disable variable refresh rate under system, display, and graphics. So Windows changes things a bit. So I think this is what they're talking about. So yeah, so that's for Windows. And for, like, for example, for specific ones, like if you have NVIDIA, you can open up NVIDIA app here. And from here, you could go ahead and go to your graphics settings. And you want to go ahead and basically go for vertical sync, and you don't want to use adaptive or adaptive half refresh rate. Use either on fast or use. So just make sure to use on a different one. You can even turn this off if you want to. And also, another user is actually having the same thing, and it looks like one of them is actually having, or the issue itself is because their Intel CPU goes to 100%. So it means that it's running too many apps at the same time. So you might want to close down apps that is using too much CPU, or you might want to consider upgrading your CPU if that's the case. But yeah. So in this case, those are the things that you could try doing here if it's software related. Now, if it's hardware related, like for example, your screen is just not working anymore, well, visiting a technician is the best way to go here. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.